Welcome to Lakshya Institute Pathankot channel. So today in lecture 9 we will discuss all the questions which are there in the previous Neet examination for class 11 for chapter 9 biomolecules. So let's start with the video. The first question is, this is a correct statement with reference to enzymes. The option A is holoenzyme is equal to coenzyme plus cofactor. Option B is holoenzyme is equal to opoenzyme plus coenzyme. Option C is opoenzyme is equal to holoenzyme plus coenzyme. And option D is coenzyme is equal to opoenzyme and holoenzyme. The right answer is option B. Holoenzyme is equal to opoenzyme and coenzyme. Question second, this is a non-proteinaceous enzyme. Option A is deoxyribonuclease, option B is ligase, option C is ribozyme, and option D is lysozyme. The right answer is option C, ribozyme. Question third, this from the following is least likely to be involved in stabilizing the three-dimensional folding of the most of the proteins. Option A is hydrophobic interaction, option B is electrostatic interaction, option C is hydrogen bonds, and option D is ester bonds. The right answer is option D, ester bonds. Question 4, pick the incorrect statement. Option A, sucrose is a disaccharide. Option B, uracil is a pyrimidine. Option C is glycine is a sulfur-containing amino acid. And option D, cellulose is a polysaccharide. The right answer is option C, glycine is a sulfur-containing amino acid. Question 5, this chitinous exoskeleton of arthropods is formed by the polymerization of option A is D-glycosamine, option B is lipoglycans, option C is N-acetyl glycosamine, and option D is keratin sulfate and chondroitin sulfate. The right answer is option C, N-acetyl glycosamine. Question 6. This biomolecule has a phosphodiester bond. Option A is fatty acid in a diglyceride. Option B is amino acid in a polypeptide. Option C is monosaccharides in a polysaccharide. And option D is nucleic acids in a nucleotide. The right answer to this question is option D, nucleic acids in a nucleotide. Question 7. Pick the incorrect statement regards to enzyme action. Option A is malonate is a competitive inhibitor of succinic dehydrogenase. Option B is addition of lot of succinate does not reverse the inhibition of succinic dehydrogenase by malonate. Option C is substrate binds with enzyme at its active site. And option D is a non-competitive inhibitor binds the enzyme at the site distant from that which binds the substrate. The right answer is option B. Addition of lot of succinate does not reverse the inhibition of succinic dehydrogenase by malonate. Question 8. Macromolecule chitin is option A is nitrogen containing polysaccharide, option B is phosphorus containing polysaccharide, option C is sulfur containing polysaccharide, and option D is simple polysaccharide. The right answer is option A, nitrogen containing polysaccharide. Question 9. This about enzymes is incorrect. Option A is enzymes are highly specific. Option B is enzymes are denatured at high temperature. Option C is enzymes require optimum pH and temperature for maximum activity. And option D is enzymes are mostly proteins but some lipids are also. So the right answer for this question is option D. Enzymes are mostly protein but some are lipids also. The last question for this lecture is, this biomolecule is correctly characterized. Option A is alanine amino acid contains an amino group and an acidic group everywhere in the molecule. Option B is palmitic acid, an unsaturated fatty acid with 18 carbon atoms. And option C is lecithin, a phosphorylated glyceride found in the cell membrane. And option C is adenylenic acid, endozyme with the glucose phosphate molecule. The right answer is option C, lecithin, a phosphorylated glyceride found in the cell membrane.